12-point hunting blinds, built and designed by hunters, for hunters. An impressive array of hunting blinds, each one built with thoughtful features designed to help make your hunting day the very best it can be. Quality first. A hunting blind needs to last, so each one is built with durable LP smart siding and finished with a protective green coating to help blend into its surroundings. If you prefer an elevated blind, we have you covered. Two ways. You may choose to select a traditional tower stand built with high-pressure treated wood for easy assembly and a lower cost, or go all out with our powder-coated, bolt-together steel stand that could last a lifetime. Either way, a powder-coated steel ladder with handrail is included. Entry to a 12-point hunting blind is easy, thanks to the large, lockable man door. You'll find the quietest windows in the hunting blind market are found on 12-point hunting blinds. These windows are also easy to operate. Simply pull the drawstring to set the window at the desired opening, and it'll stay in position. These windows are also tinted to help keep you from being spotted by that monster buck. A roomy interior with a fully carpeted floor that not only adds comfort, but also helps deaden sound. As does the egg crate foam that covers the 7-foot-high interior walls. We're serious about quiet. These 7-foot-high interior walls also allow most hunters to stand up and stretch for the best position, whether you use a rifle or bow. We're serious about comfort, too. Overhead, the Uniflex elastomeric roofing system protects your blind from rain and snow. Our blinds even go portable. Add our optional trailer to any 12-point hunting blind for easy movement with your ATV. Ready for use in minutes, simply lower the self-leveling legs and you're ready to go. It's easy to see why hunters choose 12-point hunting blinds over the others. We're hunters too, and we know what we'd like to see in a blind, so we've built the very best features into every 12-point hunting blind. In fact, our blinds make hunting a family affair. Plenty of room for kids to stay warm and out of the weather while enjoying a day of hunting in the great outdoors. Our customers call frequently to say how much they love hunting with their kids thanks to a 12-point hunting blind. Finally, it's important to know that we stand behind every 12-point hunting blind with our 5-year, top-to-bottom warranty. Now there's real peace of mind. 12-point hunting blinds, built and designed by hunters, for hunters, with unsurpassed Amish quality.